Hey guys, welcome back to Mike's Virtual Garage. Got a quick one for you guys today. So without further ado, let's get to it. All right guys, here we are. Outside of the car instead of inside. You might be asking yourself why. I'll tell you why. So on 4th of July, I was driving the car, just doing a few errands here and there at a stoplight. Got about to turn right. Going to first, no problem. Go to second, cool. When I go for third gear, let on the clutch and try to hit the gas, the pedal's on the floor. Not good. So my mind tells me I know what the problem is. I'm 99% sure I know what's going on here. So I was lucky enough to be close to a parking lot, so I was able to coast and limp the car into a parking spot. Get out, pop the hood. Throttle cable still attached, no problem there. Didn't expect to be a problem, but when I do my due diligence, open the driver's door again and notice on the floor there are some little foam pieces on the floor mat. So at that point, I knew what the issue was. When the car was new, Audi had devised an able setup for the throttle cable and the accelerator cable to kind of ride on these foam bushings under the dash there. So after about 35 years of use, they disintegrate, which is to be expected. So knew what the issue was. I had no tools with me. I rarely carry tools in the car anyway. Luckily, I was only about 10 minutes from home, so I was able to barter a ride back home, get my other car, come out with some tools, and then do a makeshift repair to get home. Now, thankfully, I had one spare bushing, a Volkswagen part, which is a better replacement than the stock Audi foam bushings. I think Martin told us about that many years ago, so thanks, Martin, for that. But at the time, it's probably 5-6 years ago, I only ordered one of them, not knowing that there were two bushings there on the pedal assembly. So knowing that, went back to the car with the bushing, was able to install the one that actually the throttle cable hooks through, and then use some zip ties to, tie the pedal itself to the bracket that holds the other bushing. So I got home, and then the car's been sitting for almost, not quite a month. Been a very busy summer, so I've had no time, for any car stuff this summer. That's why you guys have seen very few videos, since May. So thought I would, give a quick update on the car today. Gonna get this fixed here pretty soon. It's really tight under there, so I really can't do any shooting under there. But I'll put some photos up here of what I had to go through. It's actually a fairly easy repair. The one thing I will say, save yourself the time. Take the minute it takes to take the seat out. I had to actually go home because I did not bring any Allen sockets with me to get the little bolt out that holds the seat from going back all the way. So aside from that, and laying on your back, trying to fiddle with it under there, it's not that bad. It was like 100 degrees outside. It was very hot. But knowing that now, this job is pretty simple. Take the seat out, put a few towels down to save your back, and then it's really not that big of a deal. So we'll get that fixed. I will give another shout out to a guy named Arthur, who followed me on Instagram, and he noticed that I had posted what happened, and he had found some bushings from I think Mk1 Engineering. They do a lot of Volkswagen stuff, of course, and they have some replacement bushings that look like the factory ones, but made of rubber and much more durable. So I picked up 4 of those because I don't have any other replacements like the original upgraded ones that Martin had told us about. Now, I will say I did have the part number for those Volkswagen ones. I used those from another site, but the ones I received weren't the exact same. So when I get the pedal here in a minute, I'm gonna do a little comparison to see if those would even work or not, or if I'm just gonna toss the Mk1 Engineering one in there and call it a day. So we'll get to that, but I wanted to share with you guys what's going on with the car. Aside from that, it's running great, no problems. A lot of work to do, a lot of videos to make for you guys, but just time is of the essence this summer. So I didn't expect to be this busy with other things aside from car stuff. So hopefully, as summer looms to an end, which I don't want it to, we'll get some more stuff out for you guys. But until then, I post, other stuff on Instagram. So Mike's Filter Garage, follow me on there. There's stuff posted from time to time on car stuff that's pretty quick and dirty. So with that, we'll motor on. We'll get the 4000 Quattro back on the road. Then until then, you guys take care. Thanks for coming along. And we'll talk to you next time. Take care.